right, so what we're going to open up here is a iPad holder for flying a plane. So I'm going to head out in the 152 in a little bit. Just had an epic foiling session, so flying in the water, let's go fly in the air. And it looks like this thing is by Ram Mounts, the Ram Tough Claw mount. So I think you can mount these things on anything, but a lot of the pilots are using them to mount it on the yoke. So you can get these at Sporty's. I was going to get it from them, but I wanted it sooner, so I ordered it for someone in California, and I think they are, I don't even know, no packing list on here. But I'll put the link in the description, and you can check that out. But anyways, it is Ram Mounts. They're based out of Seattle, and I think it's the only thing out there that will work. So you can actually use these to mount to your car, to other things. You can check it out at rammount.com. So I just want to see how well this fits on the iPad, and then I'll put it together, and we'll put it in the 152 and take it for a spin. Now, the main reason I got this is because I have a knee pad that's an iPad mount, and it sits down on your knee, and half the time you got to flip it open and you're looking at it here. Meanwhile, everything else is happening around you. You got your instruments, you've got traffic, terrain, stuff like that, and you're just sitting down here looking at your lap, for an extended period of time is kind of dangerous. So if it's in the yoke, some people can mount it on windows, but the 152 is pretty small. So if you mount it on the yoke, you can at least kind of look here, and in your peripherals, you can kind of keep doing your scan. So it looks like it's going to get put in like this and snap on. That seems pretty solid. As you can see, it fits really snug without a case. I have a case here that can pop off and on pretty easily, so I don't mind running around without a case in the plane. So that's pretty nice, and it looks like there's a couple different options where you can mount like the centerpiece here. So you've got one here and one down below. I'll probably end up using this bottom one. It may even have to mount like this, other way around. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put this together and put it in the 152 and see how it works. All right, so it comes with little baggies here. And looks like you're just gonna mount this. I'm gonna keep it symmetrical so it's right aligned in the center. So I'm not gonna use this side mount right here. So basically using this, screw it on. And the nuts sit flush inside. Real straightforward. I don't think you need to watch the whole video in order how to assemble one of these. So we'll just do it real quick. Alright, so as long as this ball is mounted, everything else seems pretty painless. You just got to snap it on this and snap this ball on here. The only thing I don't understand is why these two look like the same diameter, but these two are not symmetrical. Looks like this side is a little bit smaller than the other side, but we'll find out. Loosen it up a little bit. There we go. Whoop. All right. So it's supposed to sit over the yoke, just like this, or under it, depending on what your yoke's like. And you just have to clamp down in order to sit it in. And that's about it. And this guy will clamp onto the yoke. I think you probably want it as close to you as possible so you can at least have full control of the yoke. So yeah, there it is. Nothing to it here. Just assemble it, and it seems pretty solid. So I have high hopes for it. and I may want to check out their website to see what other things you can mount your iPad to, but as of now, there's nothing else I need to mount my iPad to. So let's go ahead and hop in the 152, take it for a spin, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right, so pre-flight inspection is complete. Let's go ahead and mount this thing. So, as you can see, it kind of doesn't fit too well. It looks like this guy right here is just a little too short, unfortunately. And maybe I'll try moving it. Feel guys here? All right, actually I think this is perfect. Clamp on, and now clamp like that. Let's see. Could definitely use a longer base right here just so I can come out a little bit more. As you can see, it's kind of facing down, so let me move it around a little bit. That might have to be the best option with the iPad upside down. Carb heat is cold. Alright, we're ready to start that engine. I'll let this guy get out of here first. Got my chest strap on, and we're just gonna check this status real quick.
Departing runway 29er.
Runway 29.
Initial contact and information pop up.
Information pop up.